So when is down up? When Wall Street is keeping score. Welcome to the latest drill down earnings report from DataDog. We got fourth quarter earnings. I'm Cory Johnson, Chief Market Strategist for the Futurum Group. Important quarter for DataDog because they've seen such fantastic growth in recent years. This company that monitors a security platform for cloud applications is right in the data center, right in the hot spot. So how did fourth quarter earnings look? Well, Wall Street likes a beat or a miss. And yeah, this was a beat, especially for net income profits of $54 million in the quarter. Way down from last year, but way up from what Wall Street expected. So when is down up? When Wall Street is keeping score. What we want to know is how the business is actually doing. Let's take a look at the actual numbers. DataDog sales up 26% year over year. That's fantastic. At $590 million. Profits, as I mentioned, $54 million. Down from last year, big time, but up from what Wall Street expected. But when you look a little bit deeper, what you see from this New York-based technology company is that they've got some important products. They talked about a new product, for example, with Google Cloud, customers proactively being able to observe and secure their cloud-native applications in ways that they've never been able to do using DataDog software. But the market did not like the guidance here, and I'll talk a little bit about that. If you look for the year, a fantastic year, up 63% for this stock, even 27% in the last quarter. But the market really not loving these numbers from this company. Why? Well, it's about that growth profile. If you look at this company in 2021, 71% growth. In 2022, 63% growth. 2023, that's down to 27%. And now they're guiding for the current first quarter of about zero growth. So 71 to 63 to 27 to zero. That's not good. CEO and co-founder Olivier Pomel says customers will spend more. They've committed to spending more, but not yet. Here he is from today's conference call.
We had a number of customers sign large long-term commitments with us that are well above their current level of consumption, but we do not know when those commitments are going to turn into revenue. We trust that they will. Customers trust that they will. They spent a lot of time over the past year thinking about optimizing and what they actually needed and where they were going in the future. Where I think they are less prone to overcommitting than they might have been a couple of years ago. But again, we cannot call that onto the revenue yet.
So technology customers optimizing. I think that's really important because labor statistics have told us that in all of the U.S. economy, all kinds of hiring, for example, is hot, except for in technology where we still see layoffs and a contraction of the labor force and optimization, if you will. Well, now we're seeing that optimization also in DataDog spending. What does it all mean? What's the big drill down earnings takeaway? What's one number that tells us a whole lot? I'll have all that right after this.
The drill down is brought to you by Futurum Group, where analysts, researchers, advisors, content creators, and marketing experts help business leaders anticipate and understand shifts in their industries and build strategies to leverage disruptive innovation. With deep analysis, Futurum Group's extensive industry experience delivers reliable research and data, thought leadership, and actionable advice to help you with your strategy and go-to-market efforts. Futurum Group.
Okay, so here's your quick drill down earnings takeaway on the latest quarter from DataDog. The numbers, the revenue numbers, really good on a year-over-year basis, up 26%. Profits down a lot. That was more than Wall Street expected, but profits down a lot for the year, for the quarter, I should say. But one number that tells us a whole lot, these guys are getting into bigger and bigger customers. That one number, 396 customers are spending over $1 million a year with DataDog, and that's an improvement of 25%. All right, thanks for listening to Drill Down Earnings. I'm Cory Johnson. Quick earning takes on Instagram and on TikTok. A robust earnings take on YouTube. Follow me on X @CoryTV. Drill Down Earnings, part of the 6-5 Media Group.